Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the most delicious creamy caramel flan, or custard as it's known. You can use this as a Valentine dessert idea. Okay, so the list of the ingredients will be in the description box along with the measurements. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment. Alright, so to my pot, I'll be adding some sugar. Here is where we will turn the sugar into a nice golden caramel sauce. Make sure to do this, guys, on really low heat. You can brush the sides of the sugar down with a brush and some water. Be very careful. I did add about 3 tablespoons of water, and this is all done. We will go ahead and pour this in our ceramic baking dish. Make sure to coat the bottom. Looks amazing. Our next step, I have some milk in half and half. I have 3 eggs. That is 3 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs and some condensed milk. So we go ahead and add our cinnamon, some nutmeg, and vanilla extract. And we will whisk this together until everything is nice and creamy and combined. Guys, this smells amazing already. The nutmeg, and you can smell the cinnamon. So now I'll go ahead and strain my custard. And I did put that in my measuring cup, and I will pour this into my baking dish with the caramel sauce at the bottom to about halfway of this baking dish, and we will place this in a 350 degrees oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Cover with a foil paper, and this is what it looks like after that time. We will let this sit and rest for about, let's say, 30 minutes. And then we will upturn that, and all that juice, you can see that already, guys. Lift up gently. Ooey gooey goodness, look at that. The glistening on the top, it looks amazing. Super creamy, silky, and delicious. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Awesomeness. Yep, I know you can do it. And here I am digging in. OMG. It is so silky smooth. The texture is amazing. Somebody stop me. Can somebody move this plate from me? I'm about to eat this whole thing right here. So again, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe. See you on the next video, and thank you so much for spending the time again. Bye-bye.